Your Power to Change, by Kyle C. Becker, imparts valuable lessons on personal development and transformation. Here is a distilled summary of the key lessons elucidated in the book. Lesson number 1. Confront challenges with courage. Acknowledge and face fears and limitations, paving the way for personal growth and unlocking your full potential. Lesson number 2. Embrace conscious transformation. Surrender to a deliberate process of self-revolution, letting go of old patterns, and embracing the inherent power of change. Lesson number 3. Mastery of empowering beliefs. Identify and challenge limiting beliefs, replacing them with affirmations and fostering a growth mindset. Lesson number 4. Align thoughts with actions. Ensure internal thoughts and emotions align harmoniously with external actions, fostering congruence and desired outcomes. Lesson number 5. Release the shackles of the past. Liberate yourself from the burdens of the past by acknowledging, learning from, and letting go of experiences that hinder progress. Lesson number 6. Harness the power of the present. Focus on the present moment, recognizing it as the locus of influence to shape and create a meaningful future. Lesson number 7. Craft a guiding future vision. Develop a clear vision of your ideal future to serve as a guiding light, influencing present decisions and actions. Lesson number 8. Fear as a catalyst for courage. Utilize fear as a source of motivation, acknowledging it, and leveraging it to step outside your comfort zone. Lesson number 9. Embrace growth through discomfort. Embrace moments of discomfort as opportunities for growth, pushing boundaries to foster personal evolution. Lesson number 10. Celebrate imperfections. Embrace authenticity and self-compassion, recognizing that perfectionism hinders progress. Lesson number 11. Silence and reflection for wisdom. Dedicate time to introspection and silent contemplation, quieting the mind to connect with inner wisdom and intuition. Lesson number 12. Gratitude for fulfillment. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude for both significant and minor blessings, enhancing well-being and opening doors to abundance. Lesson number 13. Contribution for connection. Serve others and contribute to a purpose beyond yourself, recognizing that deep fulfillment arises from connecting with something larger. Lesson number 14. Surround yourself with support. Foster a supportive network of inspiring individuals who uplift and encourage personal growth. Lesson number 15. Commit to continuous learning. Prioritize lifelong learning and personal development, acknowledging that growth comes from consistently expanding knowledge, skills, and perspectives. The book underscores the reader's inherent capacity for self-transformation and advocates for the consistent application of these principles to master oneself, overcome challenges, and craft a fulfilling life.